Good day, but good day, bye. Quick video for today. I'm just here trying to clean up and trying to fix the garage. Just like any other vlog, dili na ko gina script as much as possible. I just wing it. So batig lighting karon you see with different lighting here and ay mga shadow diha unsa. It's because I just wing it. Wala sa ko script. But anyway, I just found this just now cleaning up. So this is my water bottle. This is my high country water bottle. Second din ako nga water bottle there sa Australia. I arrived here 2013, and just to make in context, this year is like 2026. So let's say I've had this for a long time, like more like 12, 13 years, more or less. This was my first water bottle nga ako ara. And first na ko nga work nga rin sa Australia was fencing. So I do a lot of fencing, dili fencing fencing ba magimog kural ba. I do a lot of those with Mickey, and ang akong ginabaon before is like I just bring peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter and jam sandwich, and this one here. So water gid akong ginong before, and then it was good because the thing is, unlike the Philippines, maski init nga tugon sa lahi ang init nga ri, murag maka-dehydrate, mag-uga ang hangin. So yeah, I have this for a long time, been using it. Even when I moved other work, I still was using this. So yeah, but right now I'm feeling a bit emotional because the thing is, somewhat this year or maybe last year. I think it was this year. I was lazy though. Gipalitan din akong takob ng murag na Algin. Nindot na unta niya takob. I was lazy and I put a big cube of ice in here. Yeah, akong gibukbok, akong gisulod ang ice, and then akong gidukduk para masulod. And what happened was, since the siya Nalgene, it's not a thick plastic, so it broke. Yep. So yeah, I'm a bit emotional at the moment because yeah, this was one of the first things that helped me here survive in Australia, and this was the first thing akong i-purchase today. It's a water bottle, it's just a water bottle, but it's memorable to me. I have to let it go. Okay, kanang yeah, it's broken. Di na maayo unless kung maka-magic kung ma-okay niya ihang tip. Nipis siya, mura siya kanang nipis gid and if it was Nalgene, it would have been better. Pagbukbok na ako, but yeah, I didn't bring my Nalgene here, so again, mo ni akong first nga bottle. I have to let it go now because it's 2026 and it hindi na ako magamit. But I'm just gonna take a photo of this thing, just make a video out of it, just to remind myself na I had this before and this was a good bottle. Ang first na mga bottle was the Kathmandu one, green, pero ginagamit to ni Laura. So this was the one that I was using. So anyway, yeah, this was my high country bottle, and again, this is not sponsored. This is just a bottle. Mura to. Bye-bye.